In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a chart title and subtitle in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've created a chart and the heading doesn't say exactly what you need, updating it is quick and makes your data much clearer. Start by clicking the chart to select it. You'll see a border and small handles appear around the edges. This confirms you're working with the right chart and not the rest of the sheet. Now look to the top right corner of the chart and click the three dots to open the menu. Choose Edit Chart. This opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen, where you can fine-tune how your chart looks and reads. In the Chart Editor, switch to the Customize tab. This is where appearance settings live, including titles, labels, and styling. Find the section called Chart and Axis Titles and click it to expand the options. This is the dedicated area for controlling the main heading and the subtitle. At the top of this section, you'll see a title type dropdown. Use this to choose what you want to rename. Select Chart Title to change the main heading that appears above the chart. Choose Subtitle if you want to edit the smaller line right beneath the main title. The main title should deliver the core message, what the chart is, and what the viewer should notice, while the subtitle can add brief context like a date range or a specific source. If you leave the subtitle blank, only the main title will show. Next, click into the title text box and type the wording you want. As you type, the chart updates live, so you can immediately see how your new title or subtitle looks in context. Aim for clarity and brevity. A good title often includes the subject and, if helpful, a time period or unit. Keep it short enough that it doesn't crowd the chart, but descriptive enough that someone can understand the point at a glance. If something doesn't look right, just adjust the text in the same box. No need to go anywhere else. These changes only affect how the chart is labeled. They don't change your underlying data. This process works the same in major desktop browsers, so whether you're on Chrome, Edge, or another modern browser, the steps remain consistent. And that's it. Click the chart, open Edit Chart. Go to Customize, select Chart and Axis Titles, choose Chart Title or Subtitle, and edit the title text. With a clear, accurate title and a helpful subtitle, your chart will be easier to read and far more professional.